In this video example, we're going to look at a case of immeasurizing growth. Immeasurizing growth occurs when there is an increase in the endowment used intensively for exports in the case of a large country. Now, let's say we've got America, which has a comparative advantage in wheat, so you can see that the skew is towards wheat. Let's say that we start off at production point S1 before, and let's say that the international price of wheat is there, and we're assuming that the price of cloth is 1 wheat per cloth. So here we will find that our consumption point lies somewhere there, C1, and we're touching the highest indifference curve we can at I1. So this is a situation when we're trading, and let's say after a while the endowment or we get more endowments that are used intensively in producing wheat. What will happen is that there will be skewed growth towards wheat, as like that, and production will shift out to here, S1. And what's going to happen to the price of cloth? So what's going to happen to the slope of this line? Well, in this example, we're assuming that we're a large country. So if we're going to produce more exports, our exports go up. The supply of wheat is going to go up on the international market. We know that when supply increases, the price goes down. So the price of wheat is going to go down. On the other hand, we are now producing relatively less cloth, so the country's demand for cloth is going to go up. We know that in this case, price will go up, so the price of cloth will increase, which means that the slope of this line is going to be flatter or steeper. Well, you will find that it is a lot steeper because the price of cloth has gone up. Let's say it's now 2 wheat per cloth. So how does this affect the country? Well, first of all, our consumption point will shift out just to here, C2, S2, C2, and at I2. If we draw in our trade triangle, what do you notice about the trade triangle? You notice that the trade triangle is actually shrinking. So our willingness to trade is decreasing. Also, what we will notice is that the terms of trade are going to decrease. The terms of trade are the price of exports over the price of imports. Our export price is going down, the price of wheat. Our import price is going up. So in all, the terms of trade are going to go down. So we have seen how this growth in the direction of our exportable good is actually damaging the economy.